Welcome to Mallacoota. Hey, we're here and so far we've got some pretty nice weather. We're at the Mallacoota Foreshore Holiday Park, which is pretty much half the town. It's massive. If you want to see Mallacoota, you pretty much got to come through the caravan park. One of the lookouts, the first lookout we're stopping at today, is in the caravan park. So we're going to go poke our head out, have a look, maybe put the drone up. Although I don't like to bother the campers. And then we'll probably try and find ourselves a nice beach. So come for a walk.
One hand at 12 o'clock on the wheel of the car, the other resting up against the half-open window. Sun bathes my skin with its warm energy. Gusts of wind ripple in, dance through my hair as I stare along the straightest road I've ever seen. Each new horizon goes on forever. Let's see what we can find. We won't pretend we're sad, 'cause it's wondrous.
How's that for a beach, hey? Just beautiful.
Our life adventure has our hearts, our family soul. This must be home.
Just like everything else in Mallacoota, the jetties, boat ramps, all the moorings, all accessed via the caravan park, hey?
Must be home.
Well, she's a sleepy little town at the minute, but I tell you what, in a week's time, it will be pumping. There won't be a single site left available at this caravan park, and I think the population here quadruples or something ridiculous just over the Christmas holiday period. It's gonna be absolutely jumping, this place. I remember it from when I was in my 20s. I used to come down here with a bunch of mates and we'd hang out over the Christmas time, New Year's time. It was great fun. It's a bit different now. Anyway, we're gonna leave town. We're heading sort of I guess you could say west, along the coast to a little spot called Secret Beach. So it's about a 10-minute drive out of town, past the airfield, and it's well signposted these days, so easy to find. Secret Beach. Here we come. I did just check the tides though. We are smack bang on high tide, so I doubt we're going to get into the cave, but we'll go check it out anyway. Hey? Short walk down onto the beach itself.
Sign ahead.
Here we are, hey? Secret Beach. Oh, it's a beautiful beach.
Find each new horizon goes on forever. Let's see.
So, once you get onto the beach, if I remember correctly, you just head left, which I'm guessing sort of northish. And you should be able to walk down into the cave, but I don't think we're going to get around it. I think the water's come up way too high, the tide's way too high, so. But we'll have a look, see what we can see. Still a stunning beach, check it out.
Must be home. Must be home. Must be.
Oh geez, oh wow, look at this, water's coming out out the cave. Oh wow, so my suspicions were correct. It's filled with sand. This cave, you used to be able to walk into it, clear above your head, easily walk into it. Not anymore. Geez, things change, hey? But it's been almost 20 years since I was here last, so. But check it out, it's a sizable cave. Righto, I'm going in. Wish me luck. Oh, that's crazy. Hey, when a big wave comes in, it scares absolute bejeebers out of you. Here comes a big one. Hey! Jeez, I can see there's water up on the ceiling above my head. You would not want to be in here at high tide. Hey? What do you reckon, kids? It's crazy. Watch your head. Whoa! Ah, I'm all wet. Right, I think it might be time to get out of here. Well, here comes another big wave. Ow! Oh, my back! Whew. So cool. This little stop is called Geology Point, which looks nice. Might put the drone up, hey? Car park's right there behind us. Lookout's right here in front of us. Not even 100 metres.
That was pretty much just like...
It appears there's a coastal walk, which I have read reviews apparently. It's just awesome. Goes for all the way from the caravan park, I think, which is a fair way away, all the way along the coast, all the way out to just beyond where we were, I think, Pebbly Beach, or maybe even further. It'd be beautiful, but we don't have the time, and nor the weather, to be honest. What a spot, hey, wild though. Geology Point, it's just out here. It's where three oceans meet. I think the Pacific, the Southern and the Tasman, I think, all meet here, and it makes for wild seas. Apparently in 1998, the Sydney to Hobart yacht race came past here, got caught up in a huge storm out by Gabo Island, and 5 boats were sunk, 6 people died. Crazy. Hectic spot. but beautiful, beautiful. I think that's what makes it beautiful. Anyway, off we go. Hey, how is this for a sweet little free camp, hey? Right on the edge, right on the banks of the Snowy River, hey? Just south of Orbost in eastern Victoria. Beautiful spot. Completely free. It is just on the side of the road, but it's nice and peaceful here, so no problems. It's been blowing a gale all day, so we've not done a whole lot, but it's about 7 o'clock in the evening. The wind has just settled down. The sun's going over behind me over there, and it's going to be a gorgeous night. Tomorrow we push on. Lakes Entrance next, and but after that we'll probably push into Geelong for family Christmas before we make our move onto South Australia. So stay tuned. Anyway. That river is like glass this morning. Just magic. Had the most peaceful night's sleep here. Just beautiful. What a spot, hey? Snowy River, just south of Orbost. Free camp. It's one thing I love about Victoria. Plenty of free camping in the bush. Well, what do you reckon, Darren? Is this the most picturesque dump point location in Australia?
It is. Perfect setting for the Devil's Esky.
I tell you what. Lakes Entrance. What an awesome spot. There's a skate park here. Dump point, showers, toilets. Oh, I guess it's probably for all the boaties, but we'll happily use it. Big, long, massive trailer parking too. So, what a spot. We've picked the perfect day. Hey, the weather is just magic, isn't it?
Yep, there's some boys that just got back from a fishing charter with some huge snapper. It looks like the pelicans are trying to steal them.
This is the spot, I think. If you're a fisho or a boatie or whatever it is, if you're about getting on the water, then Lakes Entrance is the place, especially with weather like this. Look at this spot. And this is just the dump point. Cool, so just a short walk east of where the skate park / dump point and stuff is, which I'll put a map in, is a little spot called Bullock Island, which is under development. They're beautifying it, I guess you could say. It already looks really nice. What a spot. But they say there's a chance you can see dolphins and seals here, so keep your eyes peeled. Look at this spot.
at 12 o'clock on the wheel of the car, the other resting up against the half-open window. Sun bathes my skin with its warm energy. Gusts of wind ripple in, dance through my hair as I stare along the straightest road I've ever seen. Each new horizon goes on forever. Let's see what we can find. We won't pretend we're sad, 'cause it's wondrous.
Fun way to burn fuel, hey? That's what we used to say. They're not really good for anything except burning petrol. Bit of fun though.
This must be home. Must be home.
Tell you what, this spot would be epic if you had a boat or a jet ski or something like that. It's even more argument for us to get a rooftop. What do you reckon, darling?
I'm keen.
We just got to check our weights and figure out how to do it. If anyone knows, let me know. Hit us up in the comments and give us some inspiration for a rooftop tinny, because I'm keen. A place like this on the water is would just be awesome, wouldn't it? Heaps of fun. Anyway, we're going to jump in the car and press on.
Go, but don't worry about us, 'cause we'll be fine. Each new horizon goes on forever. Let's see what we can find. We won't pretend we're sad, 'cause it's wondrous here. Wish you were here too. Our life adventure has our hearts, our families.
Well, this is it, hey? The last legs of our lap around this fine country, hey? We've just come down the Princes Highway between Melbourne and Geelong. We've come through the Burnley Tunnel, over the Westgate Bridge, and we're headed west towards Geelong, our hometown. We're going to try and surprise our family, pull in just around dinner time. I've worded up my brother, but mum and dad and everyone else are none the wiser, so we'll see the look on their faces when we pull in the door. But stay tuned, because straight after Christmas we head off to South Australia. We're going to pick up where we missed out at the start of our lap and check out the Fleurieu Peninsula, Victor Harbour, so on and so forth. So stay tuned for the next episode. South Oz coming right up. Rock and roll.